Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to KnowledgeHook student account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your KnowledgeHook student account, open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.knowledgehook.com and press enter on a keyboard. Once you end up on the official site, click the login link at the top right. From the options, select student. Now, you'll need to enter your class code provided to you in the text box. If you don't have a class code yet, click on this link right beneath the enter option and you can log in with your Google account or with your username and password option. Simply go ahead and enter your username associated with the account and in the password text box, provide your valid password. After filling in the details, click on the enter button in order to log into your KnowledgeHook student account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.